Hey guys, it's me, your Hernandez, and it might sound weird, but I'm actually going to chew gum that's actually it's Orbis for kids. Health Protect free. It's sugar free gum. If you know, it's the color it says. And I really don't want to try this, but I have to because it smells really bad. It's great, and I really don't want to try it, but it might be funny, so I'm gonna try. Really not bad. Alright. Right, not that bad. Oh god. The taste. Okay, the taste is not that bad, but. Oh god. It fucking tastes like shit. Oh my fucking god. It tastes like shit. Okay. Chris. Oh my god. I recommend not eating that shit. Oh shit. Oh fuck. It tastes like shit. Oh my god, I'm confessed. The taste of the gum is not that bad. When you actually like had in like water or some shit like that, it fucking tastes horrible. Oh god. I can't do this shit. It's fucking grape flavor. It's sugar free. It's bullshit. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm back. I can still taste it. What's the back of my mouth? I fucking can't still taste it. It's fucking horrible. Oh, the pizza fucking shit. Oh my fucking god, that's so disgusting. It might not taste that bad for a while, but it tastes horrible after the first couple bites, and when it just was like your mouth, like the taste is like comes from the gum and it's your spit or some shit like that. It's fucking terrible. I swear to fucking god, it's so terrible. I have to wash my mouth over there. That's how bad it is. So yeah, that's it. Part 2 is gonna come out soon, where I will try to get all this gum without spitting it out. See you later.